You're scrolling again. Another opinion that matches yours perfectly. Another voice echoing what you already believe. The algorithm knows you well, maybe too well. This comfortable prison has a name, the echo chamber. And you built it yourself, one click at a time. But here's what nobody tells you. The walls you can't see are the hardest to break. We tell ourselves we're informed, connected, aware. But confirmation bias isn't just a quirk of social media. It's ancient wiring in your brain, a survival mechanism that once kept our ancestors alive. Find your tribe, trust familiar patterns, reject the unknown. Now that same instinct traps us in mental loops. Every article you read, every video you watch, every conversation you have, they're all filtered through invisible walls you don't even know exist. The algorithm? It's just a mirror, reflecting back what you already want to see. And the scariest part, it feels like thinking. When was the last time you genuinely changed your mind about something that mattered? Not adjusted your opinion, not compromised, actually changed your mind. If you're struggling to remember, you might be deeper in the chamber than you think. Look for the signs. That rush of anger when someone disagrees, the immediate dismissal of opposing views, the comfortable certainty that you're always on the right side. These aren't signs of strength. They're symptoms of intellectual isolation. Growth lives in discomfort. Truth hides in the spaces between certainties. And wisdom begins when you admit you might be wrong. Breaking free isn't about abandoning your beliefs. It's about testing them against reality. Start small. Follow one person who thinks differently. Read one article from the other side. Not to argue, to understand. Learn the steelman technique. Take the opposing view and make it as strong as possible. Build their best argument, not their weakest. Only then can you truly know if your position holds. Listen without preparing your rebuttal. Question without attacking. Seek nuance in a world that profits from extremes. This isn't weakness. This is intellectual courage. Outside the echo chamber, the world isn't louder, it's clearer. Problems become puzzles instead of battles. People become complex instead of caricatures. Ideas become tools instead of identities. You'll still have beliefs, values, convictions, but now they'll be tested, refined, earned. In a world fracturing into 1,000 isolated chambers, the ability to see beyond your own walls isn't just valuable, it's essential. The echo chamber is comfortable, but comfort never made anyone stronger. Today, do one uncomfortable thing. Read that article you'd normally scroll past. Have that conversation you've been avoiding. Question that belief you've never examined. The walls of your echo chamber were built one choice at a time. They can be torn down the same way. Start now. Start small, but start. The strength to see clearly is the strength to stand alone, and the wisdom to know you don't have to. If this message hits you, then share it with someone who might be stuck in their own echo chamber. And if you want more videos that challenge your thinking, subscribe to the channel. We're building a place where reflection is strength and clarity is power. Stay disciplined, stay aware, stay strong. This is Sacred Strength.